Guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be replacing shock bearings. So my upper shock bearing, I'm going to be replacing that. And yeah, basically I've got the linkage. I've got to wait for some bits, more bearings for the linkage, because I've fucked it up. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. So I'm waiting on some bits. While I'm waiting, I can get the shock bearing in. And yeah, let's do this. Basically, I've got my new lower rear shock bearing. And I've basically got the collar out, that little sleeve thing, 2 seals, and then all I've got now is that bearing. So I'm going to put this on the vise, and then put you on a little time lapse, and then yeah, let's get this out. Right guys, that is a bearing out. Absolutely, ain't that bad to be fair. Right, let's get the new one in. Guys, now that I've got all this greased up in here, I'm gonna grease up the new bearing and then put it in the vise, just like that. And then I'm gonna rotate the vise around, and then obviously I'll have to get a socket on the end of it and punch it in. But yeah, that's all greased up. So yeah, let's put it on my tripod and get this bearing in. Right guys, that bearing is now finally in. Luckily, no teeth have come out yet. Anyway, right now it's time to get the collar on, or the sleeve. Sorry, got to get that sleeve on. Where's the screwdriver? And make sure you grease these up. Just give it a light grease. You don't have to go mad. They're already greased from the in the packaging from the factory. So yeah, don't go mad. Just slide that in like so, and then you get the 2 seals. And then you want to grease these up and all. Which way did they go? They went like that, didn't they? So you want to grease the inside, this bit here. Again, don't go mad because everything else is greased up. Like that, and then this is what it looks like now. And yeah, bearing, your sleeve goes in, and then your 2 seals. Pretty easy, really. And yeah, that is. They actually weren't that bad. I could have just like re-greased these and put these back in, but if I'm doing the whole bike up, might as well replace everything. So yeah, again guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.